Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the 7 wonders of the world. Before that I request you to like, share and subscribe the channel. The 7 wonders of the world. The 7 wonders of the world. First, the Great Wall of China. Second, Petra. Third, the Roman Colosseum. Fourth, Chichen Itza. Fifth, Machu Picchu. Sixth, the Taj Mahal. 7. Christ the Redeemer statue. These are the 7 wonders of the world. In this picture, you can see there are 7 pictures of 7 wonders with their names. And after that, we will see one by one a little bit information about each one of the wonders. First one, the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the collective name of a series of fortification systems generally built across the historical northern borders of China to protect and consolidate territories of Chinese states and empires against various nomadic groups of the steppe and their polities. Several walls were being built from as early as the 7th century BC by ancient Chinese states. Selective stretches were later joined together by Qin Shi Huang 220 to 206 BC, the first emperor of China. Little of Qin wall remains. Later on, many successive dynasties have built and maintained multiple stretches of border walls. The most well-known section of the wall were built by the Ming dynasty 1368 to 1644. Petra, Jordan. Petra means stone, originally known to its inhabitants as Rakmu, is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. Petra lies around Jabal al-Madba in a basin surrounded by mountains which form the eastern flank of the Arba Valley that runs from the Dead Sea to the Gulf of Aqaba. The area around Petra has been inhabited from as early as 7000 BC, and the Nabateans might have settled in what would become the capital city of their kingdom as early as the 4th century BC. However, archaeological work has only discovered evidence of Nabatean presence dating back to the 2nd century BC, by which time Petra had become their capital. The Nabateans were nomadic Arabs who invested in Petra's proximity to the trade routes by establishing it as a major regional trading hub. Next, the Roman Colosseum, Italy. The Colosseum or Coliseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre in Latin, Amphitheatre Flavium in Italy, Amphitheatro Flavio or Colosseo, is an oval amphitheatre in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built of traver- travertine limestone, stuff volcanic rock, and brick-faced concrete, it was the largest amphitheater even built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. The Colosseum is situated just east of the Roman Forum. Construction began under the Emperor Vespasian in AD 72 and was completed in AD 80 under his successor and heir Titus. Further modifications were made during the reign of Domitian 81 to 96. These three emperors are known as the Flavian dynasty, and the amphitheater was named in Latin for its association with their family name Flavius. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen Itza, a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people of terminal classic period. The archaeological site is located in Tina municipality, Yucatan State, Mexico. Chichen Itza was a major focal point in the northern Maya lowlands from the late classics AD 600 to 900 through the terminal classics AD 800 to 900 and into the early portion of the post classic period AD 900 to 1200. The site exhibits a multitude of architectural style remi- reminiscent of styles seen in central Mexico and of the Puck and Chinese style of the northern Maya lowlands. The presence of central Mexican style was once thought to have been representative of a direct migration or even conquest from central Mexico, but most contemporary interpretations view the presence of this non Maya style more as the result of cultural diffusion. Next, Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel located in the eastern Cordillera of southern Peru on a 2430 meter means 7,970 feet mountain range. It is located in the Cusco region, Urubamba province, Machu Picchu district above the Sacred Valley, which is 80 kilometer means 50-mile northwest of Cusco. The Urubamba River flows past it, cutting through the Cordillera and creating a canyon with a tropical mountain climate. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows. Most of the outlying buildings have been reconstructed in order to give tourists a better idea of how they originally appeared. By 1960, by 1976, 30% of Machu Picchu had been restored and restoration continues. The Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal Crown of Palace is an ivory white marble muse- mausoleum of the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned from 1628 to 1658 to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. The tomb is the centerpiece of a 17th hectare means 47-acre complex which include a mosque and a guest house and is set in formal gardens bounded on three sides by a crenellated walls. Next, Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer, in Portuguese Cristo Redentor Standard Brazilian Portuguese is an Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, created by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa in collaboration with French engineer Albert Cacot, Romanian sculptor George Leoninda fashioned the face constructed between 1922 to 1931. The statue is 30 meter, means 98 feet high, excluding its 8 meter 20 means 28 feet pedestal. The arm stretch 28 meter means 92 feet wide. In this way we have seen the seven wonders of the world. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.